In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Timeline in ClickUp. Start by opening your browser and heading to the ClickUp website. On the home page, choose Login, then select your account to sign in. If your workspace uses extra verification, complete that step and you'll land inside your ClickUp dashboard. Next, open your work and select Project 1. This brings you into the area where your tasks live. At the top, open the View menu and choose Timeline. The timeline view lays your tasks across a calendar, showing start and due dates at a glance so you can see how work flows over days, weeks, or months, and quickly identify gaps or busy periods. Take a moment to get oriented. Each task appears as a bar stretching from its start date to its end date. You can adjust the zoom to switch between a high-level plan and a day-by-day look, and set the date range to focus on a specific window. If you have a lot of tasks, use filters to show just what matters, like a particular status, assignee, or priority, so the schedule stays clear and actionable. You can customize the timeline to match your planning style. Group tasks by assignee to see ownership, or color them by priority to highlight urgency. Display options let you show or hide weekends, subtasks, and helpful fields such as status or time estimates, giving you exactly the context you need without clutter. There's also a setting to ensure tasks never overlap. Turning this on stacks items vertically when they share the same time window, which keeps bars from covering each other and makes handoffs and potential bottlenecks easy to spot. As you refine the layout, open the Customization tab. This is your control center for choosing which fields appear on task bars, how items are sorted, and which filters are active by default. Once you tailor the view, ClickUp remembers your preferences, so every return to the timeline feels consistent and ready for action. And if you need to make quick adjustments, you can drag a taskbar to reschedule or extend it. Perfect for real-time planning during stand-ups or reviews. For added insight, click on Charts. Charts translate the timeline into summaries and trends, helping you understand workload distribution, status breakdowns, and upcoming peaks. Use these visuals to validate that your plan is realistic and to spot where you might need to rebalance resources before issues appear. That's it. You opened ClickUp, logged in, entered Project 1, selected the timeline view, customized it, prevented overlaps, fine-tuned settings in the Customization tab, and used charts to understand more.